Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. I hope all of you fine. Today, I'm going to talk to you about comparative adjective. Which one is the bigger? Watermelon or apple? Which one is longer? Pencil or eraser? Comparative adjectives are used to compare differences between the two objects they modify. We use comparative adjective to compare two or more things, people, or places. For example, the mouse is smaller than the cat. We use than after the comparative adjective to say what we are comparing something with. We also use comparative adjective to compare one thing, person, or place at different times. Example, he is more active than last year. We use than after the comparative adjective to say what time period we are comparing something with. One-syllable adjective. For most one-syllable adjective, we add er. Hard become harder. Tall become taller. Short become shorter. Small become smaller. One-syllable adjective. Example. Look at the picture. Father is taller than me. When we use a personal pronoun after a comparative, we use an object personal pronoun. Me, you, her, him, it, us, and them. For one-syllable adjective ending in a consonant, vowel, and consonant, we double the last consonant and add er. Big become bigger. Fat become fatter. Hot become hotter. Thin become thinner. Look at the picture. The weather in Jakarta is hotter than Bogor. We double the last consonant and add er. Hot become hotter. From two-syllable adjective. For most two-syllable adjectives, we use more plus adjective. Careful become more careful. Famous become more famous. Peaceful become more peaceful. Pleasant become more pleasant. Useful become more useful. I lost my keys yesterday. I need to be more careful. More careful. Example, two-syllable adjective. Two-syllable adjective ending in Y. We change the Y to I and add ER. Busy become busier. Easy become easier. Funny become funnier. Happy become happier. Example, Ina is feeling happier than yesterday. Two-syllable adjective ending in ER, LE, or OW. We usually add ER. Clever, gentler, narrower. Example, Husna is cleverer than the other student. Longer adjectives. Adjective with three or more syllables, we always use more plus adjective. Complicate become more complicated. Enjoyable become more enjoyable. Interesting become more interesting. Look at the picture. The car thinks that sailing is more enjoyable than studying. Irregular comparative adjectives. Some comparative adjectives are irregular. For example, good, better, no gooder. Bad, worse, no better. Far, farther or father. Old, older or elder. For example, irregular comparative adjective. I think that Mohamed Salah is a better football player than Messi. Exercise 1. Change the adjective below with the comparative degree from positive, old, young, famous, expensive, and short. So your turn to change comparative. Okay, class, I think enough for this occasion. Thank you so much for your coming here and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.